know that your love is strong as we tumble into the song. But you don't seem to care that your love is blind. You don't seem to care or realize. As I lay here, my mind is torn. Even now that your baby's born, what will it cost? Is my freedom lost? What is the price of nature's own way? Now how could I dress your child when this life I'm living so wild? Would it be a crime to leave at such a time when you've many claims to make on me? I know that your love is strong as we tumble into the song. You don't seem to care that your love is blind. You don't seem to care or realize.
I am the greatest of pretenders, turning away from every storm that comes along. Somebody play the soul contender so I know what's going on. In all of the places I have been to, taken by the prophets and the poets and the fools, feeding my hunger for adventure with a lifetime yet to lose. Two roads in a yellow wood, can't waste any time. Take the road less traveled by, gotta wait in line. And I sure took a long way around, didn't I? Sky is yellow, gray, and fun. It's just me and the snow plows out Minnesota nightfall. Fate locks onto my front bumper, drags me home to your door. Now that you've noticed my impatience, now that I know you're someone I could hang around, I hope you'll send your thoughts my way since I'm coming back in town. Y'all wanna be original, making up the rules. Gotta do things different, just like all those other different fools. And I sure took a long way around, didn't I? And I'm high on a wire, no safety net. Find that safe way down, but I haven't found it yet. No, no, I am the greatest mighty hunter dressed up for the kill. You are the love forever waiting. Just say you love me